everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. As you can see, my table is full of goodies from Microban to 9 Elements to Band-Aids. I have fun. I purchased these items on the 1st, and I think that was the only day that I went shopping this week. I don't think I went any other day. I think I did 19 transactions in one day. We're going to get started because I even got a hiccup that happened that I wasn't even aware of, and Publix was an item. Starting on the left-hand side of the table, the Microban are normally priced $6.99. There is an insert coupon in the P&G for January. Take note that this is the last month that we're going to get P&G. So if you have not gotten P&G already, make sure you get as many as you want or need, because this is the last month for it so that you can rack up on these items. In the insert, the coupon is a BOGO coupon, and it is for up to $6. Now, I'm gonna read the receipt to you. I don't know how the coupon scanned this way, but it is the manufacturer coupon. In the app, there is a $6 off 2 12.5 ounce can Microban. I put up last week a video on the tall Microban, and everybody thinks that that's the same deal this week, and it is not. This Microban deal should have been 99 cents each can at the end. So this is how the transaction went. I picked up 2 Microban 12.5 ounce cans for $6.99. When they scanned my vendor coupon, $6.99 came off. When I put my phone number into the kiosk, the other $6 came off. The coupon is only supposed to take off $6. It took $6.99 off. It really just took off one whole can, an actual BOGO. After the $12.99 came off, my out-of-pocket before taxes was 99 cents. I had $1.12 in taxes. My grand total was $2.11. I did that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, just those 2 items alone on one receipt. Not realizing that the digital coupon in the app, not realizing it's only for the 12.5 ounce can. The coupon from last week that was in the app says Microban 12.5 to 15 ounces, but that expired on the 31st. On the 1st, I opened up my app and I saw the coupon again. I thought it was for both size cans, and it was not. So what they did, they didn't read it either. And what they did was pushed it through as a store coupon, took off $6. I paid 98 cents for 2 cans, 8 cent sales tax, $1.06 out of pocket. I did that 3 times. That's the 3 blue cans you see. I'm sorry, the 6 blue cans you see behind the 9 Element. There are a lot of 9 Elements up here. Let me explain to you why I have so many. I happen to be in Publix, and they are on clearance for $2.24 at most of them. Not all of them, because I've been to several, and they're still at $4.49 with a clearance tag. That is not clearance, that's regular price, people. Don't pick that up. Being that it's on clearance for $2.24, in the Publix app, there is a digital coupon for $2 off of the 9 Elements foam spray or liquid dish soap. Make sure that you read it because it is in there. You're gonna have 2 digitals that say $2 off 9 Elements. One is for the multi-purpose cleaner and bathroom cleaner. The other one is for the dish foam and the liquid soap. It goes as follows. I picked up one for $2.24, put my phone number in the kiosk, the $2 came off, I paid 24 cents before taxes, I had 18 cents in taxes, grand total was 42 cents. That one I did by itself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Then Band-Aid. Band-Aid was the last transaction I did, but I also, on these 3 receipts, combined 1 bottle of 9 Elements with Band-Aid. So you know you only get a total of 8 Publix coupons, 8 insert coupons that you can use in one transaction. So in all essence, that's like 16 coupons. If the insert had Band-Aid coupons, my inserts, I would have used those as well for overage. Being that they didn't, I paid 12 cents for each box of gauze or nonstick pads or whatever you see over there. I picked up 1 bottle of 9 Elements and 8 boxes of Band-Aids. I had the $2 off digital for the 9 Elements, and I had 8 $2 off 1 extra savings Publix $2 coupon. This extra savings book that they again have that $2 off Band-Aid in there. So I paid 12 cents for each box, 24 cents for the 9 Elements. The total came up to $1.20. My taxes were $1.54. I paid $2.74 out of pocket. I did that transaction twice. The last transaction I did with Band-Aids, of course, I did all of this Band-Aids in one store. All of the 9 Elements came out of one store. The Microbans 12 and a half, I went to several stores. I know in one store, I did like 5 transactions, I believe, for the Microban. The store that I made the mistake at this morning with the 6 tall cans, I also did 2 transactions in their store. So now, the last receipt, I purchased 1 9 Element for $2.24. I picked up 4 Band-Aid boxes for $2.12 a piece. I had the $2 off Band-Aid coupons for the from the extra savings book. I had the $2 digital for the 9 Elements. My total came up to 72 cents. My taxes were 86 cents. My grand total was $1.58. I will put up the coupons that I did use. No one should have the Microban digital coupon that says 12 and a half ounce to 15 ounce can, because that expired on the 31st. So the only thing you can do with that deal is buy 2 cans and get $6.99 off. Otherwise, what I'm telling you all to do is find the 15 ounce clearance cans for $3.49, and you will be able to use that BOGO coupon, and hopefully the $6.50 comes off of that purchase. I'm going to show you the insert coupon for the bigger can, and I don't have any of the ones for the smaller can, but I will put it up for you all to see. This coupon expires on the 14th, and I believe the digital coupon for the small Microban expires on the 28th of January. So this is the coupon for the large Microban. As you can see, it's a max value of $6.50. That 1 can is $6.99. Some of the tags on clearance are saying $6.99. Again, everyone, that is not a clearance price. The clearance price is $3.49, and hopefully you can get the $6.50 off. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. I'll be glad to answer any of them for you. But for now, I will see you on the next one. Bye.